Pani Puri, Indian chickpea and potato flour snack. Ingredients. For Pani Puri stuffing: 2 to 3 medium potatoes, 1 small to medium onion, optional, 1 to 1.5 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves, cilantro leaves, 1 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, optional. Black salt or regular salt as required. For Pani Recipe: ½ cup tightly packed chopped mint leaves, 1 cup tightly packed chopped coriander leaves, cilantro leaves, 1-inch ginger, chopped, 2 to 3 green chilies, chopped. For a less spicy pani, add about 1 green chili, 1 tablespoon tightly packed tamarind, 3.5 to 4 tablespoons grated or powdered jaggery or sugar, or add as required, or 1.5 tablespoons chopped seedless dates and 1.5 tablespoons powdered jaggery. The sweetness can be adjusted as per your taste. 1 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala powder, 1/3 cup water, for grinding. 1 to 1.25 cups water to be added later. Add water as per the consistency you want. 1 to 1.5 tablespoons bundi, fried tiny gram flour balls, optional. Black salt or regular salt as required. 24 to 30 puris. You could buy these puris ready-made or make them at home. 1 small bowl of tamarind chutney or tamarind dates chutney, optional. Directions. Making Pani Puri stuffing. Boil the potatoes till they are cooked completely. Peel them and then chop them. Finely chop the onion if using it. In a small bowl, mix the potatoes, onions, coriander leaves, cumin powder, chaat masala powder and black salt or regular salt. Mix well and keep aside. Making pani for Pani Puri. In a blender, add all the ingredients mentioned above for the pani. Add water and grind to a fine chutney. Remove the green chutney in a large bowl. Rinse the mixer jar with ½ cup water first and then add this water in the bowl. Then add ½ to 3/4 cup more water. Mix well. Check the seasoning. Add more salt or jeera powder or chaat masala or jaggery if required. If you want a thin pani, you could add some water. But keep on checking the seasoning, as per your taste. Add the bundi to the pani. You can chill the pani in the fridge or add some ice cubes to it. Making Pani Puri. Crack the top of the puri with a spoon. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of the boiled potato onion filling in the puri. Stir the green pani first and then add it in the puri. Optionally, you can add some sweet chutney in the puri. Serve the Pani Puri immediately. You can also make individual portions with the puris, potato onion mixture in the pani.